Hello everyone, this is Zaida Gholami from Agrimax Research Company, and in here I want to talk about data analysis toolpack in Excel. So in data ribbon in here, you could see data analysis in analysis segment. If you cannot see it, you should head to files, more options, and in add-ins, you can see the analysis toolpack in here. Okay, so you will go for manage Excel add-ins, click a go, and then this analysis toolpack, if you cannot see it in here, it is unchecked, of course, and you will check it, click OK, and then this is shown right here. But data analysis, what it is? So you can see there is a whole bunch of statistics, statistical analysis ways in here gathered together. You could see ANOVA, single factor, two factor, with replication, without replication, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, and all these things, moving average, histogram, regression, sampling, t-test, all the kinds, pair two sample for means, two sample assuming equal variances, z-test, and all these things. So now I want to show you a quick example. In order to just using data analysis, I want to make a regression, and by the way, I have videos for runway, ANOVA, and regression for data analysis. You could of course check it out. I think they will be useful. So now let's say I have an X and Y set of data, and what I want to do is to make the random numbers from 1 to 5 for my X parameter or variable, and then I will do it for Y, and I will make random numbers from 5 to 10 in order to have just a data set to work with using regression tool. So I will copy it and go for paste spatial, and I will extract the values. So I just have something to work with right now. I will head to data analysis, and I will click on regression. So I will click OK. Here my Y range is here, my X range is this one, and I want to include the labels. Output range, I want it to be from here. So we click OK, and you can see the output. It is now printed for me. So the data analysis is all about this type of thing. So it gets the input and it prints the output in the range you specify, and that's the result. So I guess you've enjoyed and you've used the information provided in here. I will see you in the next video, and bye.